Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how you can change pitch in Reaper. So you can change the pitch of an individual item or the entire project. So the best way to change pitch of a single item is you have some shortcuts. So if you press Shift 0, you will raise pitch by 1 semitone. If you press Shift +9, this will lower pitch by 1 semitone. Then if you press the Shift and 8, it will raise the pitch by 1 cent, so fine tune, and Shift 7, lower pitch by 1 cent. Now if you want to type a specific value, is right click the item and select item properties. Item properties. Look for the pitch adjust semitones box. So we need to find it. Okay, right here, as you can see it, right over here. And here we can set up the value. And when we are done with that, just press OK. So ensure preserve pitch when changing play rate is checked if you want to change the length of the item without affecting the pitch. So check that. So right here, this means, as I mentioned, preserve pitch when changing rate. If you want to shift the entire song at once, look at the transport bar. Usually it's at the bottom. And find rate slider. Right click on that. Okay, so right here at the right side you will see this playback rate, and yeah, preserve pitch in audio items when changing master player rate. If you want to change speed without pitch, leave it unchecked if you want the classic tape effect where slowing down also lowers the pitch. And yeah, this is basically it, how you can change pitch in Reaper. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next